Start this problem by assuming that there's a boat in the middle of a river at this particular location. Okay, so it's already mentioned in the problem that the velocity of the boat, let's say it's VB, and the velocity of the river, let's say it's VR, are related by the equation VR by VB equal to N, which is equal to 2. So technically speaking, the velocity of the river is 2 times more than the velocity of the boat. So we'll have to find out. So come what may, in any direction, whichever direction the boat moves, either towards the top or towards opposite, still there is some drift that will be experienced by the boat. Okay, so I'll just remove this too. So we'll have to now find out a value of an angle at which the boat should move. So let's see. Let's assume, let's find out an angle with the perpendicular. Later on we can find it out with respect to the horizontal also. An angle theta at which the boat should move in such a way that the drift becomes minimal. They're not saying zero drift, it will be minimal. Okay, so this would be the velocity of the boat, and this is the velocity of the river. Okay, so when a boat moves in this particular direction, it has got two components of its velocity. One would be vertical component and the horizontal component. So reference to which the angle of theta is being made, that would become the VB cosine component of the velocity, and the other one would be the sine component. Okay, so let the distance from where the boat is situated to the bank of the river be d. So in this case, this becomes d. So the time taken by the boat to reach the bank would be purely through this vertical component of velocity. Okay, so the time taken t would be equal to the displacement t by the cosine component of the velocity of the boat. Okay, this is one thing. So during the same time t, the boat would have already experienced some drift, which would be actually pushing the boat towards the other side in which it's moving. So this would be the velocity vector component for the river. Okay, so the drift would be the velocity of the river, okay, minus the opposing velocity, which would be the sine component of the velocity of the boat, into a time of t. This is the drift which the boat would have experienced during this particular time period. So we'll have to ensure that the drift is minimal. So before that, we already have a value for t in terms of the distance of the boat from the perpendicular distance of the boat from the bank, okay, with reference to its velocity. So substituting that value, we get okay. So now getting more space for our solving our problem working. So now equation has been set. So since the drift has to be minimal, I would like to take the derivative of the drift as a minimum with respect to the angle, because I have to find out the minimal drift at a certain angle. So if I were to simplify this a bit, I would be getting d into so as per this equation we have VR is equal to N into VB. So that would be equal to implies I'm sorry I missed the differential operator here by d theta again here by d theta. Okay, so this would give us, so n by cos theta would be n into secant theta minus sin theta by cos theta would be tan theta. So just adding the simple differentiation rule, we get total drift is equal to n into d by dx of secant theta would equal secant theta tan theta minus secant square theta. So since we are trying to find a minima, we would equate this to 0. So where we get n into secant theta tan theta equal to secant square theta. So we can cancel the square because we have 1 here. So tan theta equal to secant theta by n. So this can be written as sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 by n into 1 by cosine theta. So this and this get cancelled. So this is equal, sin theta is equal to 1 by n. So n, the value is 2 as per the problem. So theta equal to sine inverse 1 by 2, which is equal to 30 degrees. But if you see the problem which we have taken during the assumption, that theta is from the vertical. So you should say that the boat should move at an angle of 30 degrees to left of vertical, or it would be 120 degrees to direction of stream. Of the river. So that's how we end the problem.